name is Dr. Priyanka Mathur. I'm the founder and CEO of Medipocket. And today I would like to talk the topic that we are talking about, artificial intelligence, interaction of artificial intelligence in healthcare, and how at Medipocket we are leveraging it to create a primary care ecosystem. Okay. Dr. Chang and other speakers have talked about artificial intelligence to be a machine intelligence, which is how the machine learn what human, in a non-human way, the human intelligence to perform tasks of humans. It is a pretty broad term, which includes machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is just algorithms that improve their performance over time when they're exposed to more data. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, which is inspired by the functionality of our brain cells called neurons, and thus led to the term artificial neural network. The possibilities of AI is endless, from fraud detection to developing new technologies to address climate change. Well, this is the reason why big four tech companies are leading healthcare innovation. Google focus on developing using AI capabilities in the areas of data science, developing disease detection, and also getting into health insurance. Apple has a focus on creating patient-facing products like Apple Health Kit that will enable patients to share the clinical data using third-party trusted apps. Amazon has declared entering into healthcare from multiple arenas. Amazon, JP Morgan Chase, and Berkshire has collaborated together to form a new healthcare company called Heaven. Microsoft, Azure, and seamlessly integrate into healthcare IT infrastructure to innovate healthcare by combining research and health product development. The healthcare industry is $3.5 trillion. It's so big for these big tech companies to not get attracted to healthcare, and thus we see a lot of innovations in the healthcare. The impact of artificial intelligence in healthcare is in many ways. Few would be unifying mind and machine through brain-computer interface. This is a cutting-edge area of research, specifically in neurological diseases and trauma to the nervous system, which can take away patients' ability to speak, walk, and interact meaningfully. Thus, brain-computer interface backed by artificial intelligence can restore these fundamental experiences in those who fear lost them forever. Other one is making smartphone selfies turning into powerful diagnostic tools, thus not only putting them on Instagram for more likes, but also using them for a diagnostic purposes. Dermatology and ophthalmology are the primary beneficiaries of this trend. Another one would be turning the health records into a reliable risk predictor. AI can actually give early warnings for the diseases like sepsis or seizures. Sepsis is the 11th leading cause of death, combining prostate and breast cancer together. Excuse me. Turns out sepsis can be preventable if detected early, as in most of the life-threatening diseases. The answer was actually researched at Hopkins University by developing TRUES using machine learning. TRUES is targeted real-time early warning system that uses electronic health record and other patient data sources and analyze to make them give early warnings. Thus, of knowing whom to treat, when to treat, and what to treat with might already lie in our data, which can be fed to the machine learning algorithm to train algorithms. This brings to a question about data, big data. Big data in healthcare. Big data, as the name says, is massive amount of information that is interpreted and analyzed to give you an overview of trends and patterns. Big data in healthcare is generally for the electronic health data or other patient data sources. Just to understand how the big data analytics can help, let me give you the example of e-commerce industry, as was pointed by one of the speakers earlier. Using big data analytics is how Amazon was able to win retail wars years ago. It started in 1994 when Jeffrey Bezos started Amazon.com. Using big data analytics is how Amazon targets its customer based on their behavior online. Along with that, one more question with the big data is how much data is is enough data? The data, well, more is better, but the important is quality of data. Thus, in medicine, as it says, or in general, garbage in will be garbage out. Thus, the quality of data is very important to get the more accurate diagnostic and preventative. I will just quickly skip because I think it was a 10-minute talk, but it got cut short. I just want to talk about the Medipocket, how Medipocket is using AI part to it. We are creating an ecosystem where it would be transparent, affordable, and on-demand care, primary care. We all have been comparing the hotels and flight prices before we book them. Now, you can compare your prescription drug prices by just putting the name of the drug and the zip code, and the system will pull out the price comparison across the pharmacies from the lowest to the highest price pharmacy in the area. Also, the numbers have shown that nearly 1 in 4 Americans taking prescription drugs says they cannot afford it, and nearly 1 in 2 Americans take prescription drugs. Thus, as a physician, I can prescribe you with the best medicine, I think, but if you can't afford it, you won't take it, resulting in decreased adherence. With Medipocket discount card, you can save up to 80% at 75,000 pharmacies across the nation. Using this, it works on generic, brand, and OTC. No approval needed, no membership required. The other part that we are doing is we are also equipping patients and doctors to have more organized information available on demand by using My Health Vault. It is under patient's control what information they want to use, put, and share. Thus, we are giving the power in patient's hand. Also, Dr. AI is your personalized chatbot that uses the information from the My Health Vault and also help you to navigate the associated symptoms with the voice-enabled chatbot, analyze it with the use of machine learning algorithms to give you more personalized diagnosis, not generalized. This is the US healthcare market of 3.5 trillion and the prescription drug to be $610 billion. The Medipocket traction in a few weeks of launch, we are partnered with 75,000 pharmacies across the country. We have 5,000 plus users. We have done 258 RX deliveries on demand. We are focusing on potential partnership with urgent care, insurance companies, telehealth platforms, hospice, and assisted living. At Medipocket, we believe with health, time, and cost matters. Thank you.